So you might be wondering why I'm sitting here and talking to you, because normally I don't do that. But today I wasn't able to film that much because the beach was full of people. And yeah, it's not that easy to film when there's that many people around you. So I wanted to do a few things, but well, yeah, no, I'm not good with people around. But that's not what I wanted to talk about. Cheers, by the way. What I wanted to talk to you about is something that happened today that I, of course, didn't film. And it was really cute because I was sitting near the beach and I was reading. That's what I wanted to do today. I wanted to read in the sun outside. So I went to the beach and I read. But that's not the interesting part. So when I was sitting there, a lot of people were passing by, of course. It's the beach, it's like the promenade, I think. And yeah, two older gentlemen came and sat next to me, and one of them started to talk to me. And we got into talking. And he told me that he once was in Germany, like 20 years ago, and we kept on talking and talking, and it was so sweet. It was so cute. We played the funny game with guess how old I am. So he guessed that I'm 25, which of course I am not. And I was kind enough to guess that he was around 50, which was wrong because he was 80. So this 80-year-old gentleman and I talked, and we took pictures, and we made a little film for him where I spoke German, because when he was in, he called it a Hochschule, so I think he meant like, I'm not sure if he meant high school, or I think he meant the higher classes in high school. So when he was a senior in high school and in university, he learned German, so he was able to speak a little bit, and he was really happy that I spoke to him. And yeah, we took this video on his phone, and now I have an 80-year-old friend here in Busan, and it was really, really nice. And I wanted to share that with you because you hear a lot about like, or I don't know if you hear a lot about that, but you often hear about people like judging you for being a foreigner and things like that. But there's also nice things like that, and I really get on well with the older generation. I don't know why. The last time I came here, I went to the Airbnb I rented, and the lady upstairs, who was also who was an older lady, let's call them that. Let's not just use haraboji and halmoni, because they're not. They're older gentlemen. So this older lady was in front of the place, and she wanted to help me with my really big, really heavy luggage. She was so cute, and she came into the room with me, and she unclogged the toilet because the last tenant apparently had clogged the toilet shortly before I arrived. So I told my landlord, hey, here, I just went and brought my bags in and the toilet is clogged, and the old lady from upstairs just put some shit in it. Yeah, but yes, that was something I wanted to share with you, because that's something that you will keep, and I will keep, and I wanted to share a sweet story with you, because that's something that doesn't happen like every day. So yeah. And now I am drinking my somek, which is soju and MacLeod. MacLeod is beer, and I think I put a little bit too much soju in it because it's slightly sweeter than I anticipated, but it's good. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy my view, which you can't see right now. You can see the beautiful microwave and my cookies. That's fine. And yeah, we'll see what we do tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, which doesn't mean anything here because every day is almost the same. It's only more people that are at the beach when it's the weekend. Otherwise, everything is open the same, everything, yeah, you don't really notice, so you can go shopping, you can do whatever you want. Which is not normal for a German, because Sundays is the day of rest and no shops, no supermarkets, no nothing. Here it's different. Also what is different, I didn't tell you yet, is everything opens at around like 10:30, 11, so it doesn't really matter that I wake up at 8 and then go out the first time for like at like 12. Doesn't matter, because all the shops would have been closed anyways if I would have gone out like an hour after I've woken up. So yeah. Yeah, that's all I have to tell you. But you can tell me, do you like this? Should I do this more? Do you want to hear more about my days, or do you prefer the silent things? I don't know. And I mean, I am part of this, so why not do this a little bit more? I don't know. What do you prefer? I like the silent vlogs, the just nature kind of vlogs, but we have seen so much, so tell me. And we'll see what I'll do next. So until then, I'm going to enjoy my evening now. Goodbye. Until later, I think. later. So here are also the extras I got with my pizza, which you get most of the times. One thing that's very important are pickles. I don't know why, but Koreans like to eat pickles with the pizza, and this seems to be some kind of sauce. I can't really read this, not because I can't read Hangul, but because it's yellow on white and it's quite dark in here. We have a hot sauce. We have something else where a pepper is on, so it's more hot stuff. And we have some throwaway gloves and some, I think these are like wet tissues. So yeah, everything you need for a pizza party. And as you can see, the pizza is 18 inches. So it's normally meant for more than one person, so yeah. I will have pizza in the morning as well, I can tell you that. But I have pizza.